welcome to Professor SNAB, where we aim to make A-level biology as simple as a cell. So today we are understanding the overall reaction of photosynthesis as requiring energy from light to split apart the strong bonds in water molecules and storing the hydrogen in a fuel, that is glucose in this case, by combining it with carbon dioxide and releasing oxygen into the atmosphere. So, what is photosynthesis? This is something we've explored from the early days of year 7, and we are going to look at this in much more detail now. So, photosynthesis takes place in producers, which are basically organisms that are plants and algae. Photosynthesis converts light energy into chemical energy, and this is stored as biomass in producers. So the reason producers are called such is because they produce their own food. That is, they don't rely on another organism for their access to nutrients, in contrast to consumers, where they either consume another organism or they consume producers, such as plants or algae. The light energy splits the hydrogen bonds in water, and this results in hydrogen and oxygen being produced. The oxygen is a byproduct and is released into the atmosphere. So this is a slight reference to the formula, so not the formula, but the equation of photosynthesis, which we will look at in a bit. And hydrogen combines with carbon dioxide and glucose is produced. This is basically a very text version of the equation that you might have come across when talking about photosynthesis. So this is what's actually happening in the equation. So yeah, that's the equation. So the chemical energy is stored within the bonds of glucose molecules, which can be broken down for energy. So carbon dioxide combines with water to give you glucose and oxygen. So this is a very important equation to know by heart. You might have come across this in GCSE, and if you still remember it, it's great. If not, do make sure you know this very well. So yeah, that is all from Professor SNAB today. This topic is something that scares quite a few people, but I've made it as short and simple as possible so that it's very easy to wrap your head around. Hope you find this useful. If you have any questions, please let me know in the comments below. Or if you need any clarification or just any questions on any topic across the board, let me know in the comments and I will come back to them. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.